guess what I just got? Safety Restore. That's what I send the seat belts to. They're very professional. I mean, I'm not getting paid to say that, but there we have it. Red seat belts. What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog again. Matt here as always. As you guys saw on yesterday's video, I was struggling with the Oracle Lighting's mirrors, and I think I figured it out, guys. I think I figured it out. I spent a couple hours here, to be honest. That's when I think you see if you are passionate about cars or not. Because I'll tell you, once you work on your cars, problems, they're gonna show up. They're gonna show up, it's not gonna be easy. I went to bed yesterday frustrated. I was frustrated because it's like, dude, this thing is not working. It gave me such a hard time. But I will show you guys what I did. I had the entire car apart, right? Everything is apart. So what I did, I disassembled the Oracle connection, the harness, they connect there. Because I noticed the wires, they were backwards. So what I did, I was trying to follow a path, because the way it was, I noticed that the connections here wasn't matching with the connections there. I was like, it doesn't make sense. The cables, the wires, they need to be connected. So I put apart this part here, which is normally the harness that goes there. And I was following a path to make sense, to make that work. Right now, look at the mirror. Down, up, to the side, to this side. Yeah. It's working, boys. It is working. I'm so happy. So I'm gonna close everything up.
12 seconds later.
All right, so the doors are back on. It's working. Just wanna show you guys the final product. And we're gonna jump in the main topic of today's upload, which is the seatbelt. This is working perfect. Dude, I can't believe I pulled this off. So happy with it. The other one there. Perfect. And of course, we got the LED working. The LED is working, which I showed you guys on the last video. But without further ado, I want to introduce you guys to my new seat belts. Look at that though. No, oh my god, boys. You guys, you cannot look at how good is the color close to the car. Look at that. Look at that. So what are we gonna do? Super straightforward. We're gonna just reverse the process that we did when we put the car part. If you didn't watch that video, I'm gonna leave the link here so you can go back and watch. The process was very easy. I used it Safety Restore. See how that works. I'll leave the link in the description below. I'm not getting paid to say anything like that, just to help you guys. If you guys didn't watch Dave Yellow Vet, he did the same. The only difference is the C5 has two seat belts for each side, which makes it more expensive. Fortunately, the C6 only has one. So basically what you do, you place your order to the website and you pick the color you want. And the only thing you need to do is remove your seat belts and send to them. The turnaround was really fast. 2.5 days by the time I got the seat belt in my hands. They repair anything that might be wrong with it and they change it to the color you want. Of course, I went with the red one. And dude, I'm so happy with it. Look at the color compared with the car. I cannot stop looking at it. We're gonna just reverse the process. Unfortunately, we cannot put the seats back on today because I'm still waiting for the harness so we can deal with the airbag and the passenger side sensor. But once I get those, that's time for the seats, and we're gonna be almost done with the interior. So I'm also gonna be doing a detailing. As you guys can see, it's very dirty. All those panels, we can put everything back together, and dude, it's gonna look sick. So let's get done. The seat belts, they have the side. For example, this is the left and this is the right side, so you cannot miss that. The good thing is, since I don't have the seats, it's so much easier. I'm sorry if you have the seats on, or just remove your seats, because then you have so much room to work with. So let's put that bad boy back in. So we're gonna work first with this driver's side, which is this one here. And I believe we need to do this over here. Remember, we are using a T45. You can just lock the seat belt there and just hand tie those bolts. It's two, one on the top, one over here. That's it. Of course, we're gonna, torque to the specifications, so we are good to go. So then we just plug there. Boom. Almost done. I just need to torque to the specification, and that part's going to the seats when we put the seats back on, which we cannot do right now, but 31 for both. There we go. I'm gonna put the other side back on, and then I'm gonna start putting the panels back, just waiting for the seats. Alright, the interior, it's almost complete. Only the seats missing, and I have a solution for this that you guys gonna have to wait a little bit. But hey, looking great. Even the cable there matches. I gotta do something about that, but I will do. Remember, my seats, they are black with red stitching. I'm also gonna do the shift boot and the e-brake boot, so we're gonna tie everything up. So far, it's looking good. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna clean. Whoa, look at that. How clean is that, boys? So I just used some water, soap and water, the vacuum, some paper towel. Very straightforward. For the dash, I use Adams interior cleaning. There's a link in the description below for that product if you want. Look at that. Look at the trunk. Clean as possible. So we are ready for the seats. And that's it, boys. The seat belts are looking sharp over there. Unfortunately, it's not the complete installation, but bear with me. It will be soon. And we have the mirrors working 100%. How nice is that, boys? I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. If you guys are here for the first time, subscribe. So I just got an email from VetWorksOnline.net that the parts are on the way. So next step, the seats. I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. If you're here for the first time, subscribe. As always, thanks so much for watching. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.